Hazelwood neighborhood in southeast Stark and 139th Avenue. When police officers arrived, they found the victim already dead at the scene.
Hello, Mary. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
This can be kind of funny. That
Police have not yet shared details.
fisheye lens of you.
And new tonight, Oregon Governor Tina Kotek has invoked
Train! I tell you, train.
Here's a look at where
Let's go for a walk.
the olive peat fire was first discovered last week on Wednesday. Since then, it's burned nearly 400 acres. The town of Granite is now under level 3 low.
You left the TV on.
It's fine.
We don't care about electrical cost. Spider webs all along the fence, so be careful.
Where?
See the spider webs?
Oh,
There's
okay.
spider web right there.
Well, there's a huge. You're gonna have to kill the huge.
See?
The
You don't
bathroom.
care about electricity, you don't care about wildlife.
Wait, no. Let me get myself first. I don't want.
Let's get a little selfie.
Okay, well then you can. I just a
I'll
sec.
have my own selfie. Hi.
Come here now. You can be here. Oh, thank you. I don't want to like this Stop. Stop. Hey, can you try to not have the stick in the picture?
It's an invisible selfie stick.
I'm over on this side.
That's the spider web
I know.
sign.
Okay, put the stick down.
It's invisible.
Okay, smile pretty. Try
Oh,
and be
I lost my
pretty.
attention. Sorry.
Try and be pretty.
See, some people have been sitting by that.
Huh?
Some people were sitting by that. You can go up this way if you want.
Oh, this is the restaurant.
I tried to see if the trail went along here, but it seems like it ends about right
Yeah.
there. But I was thinking about sitting in this pit and flying my drone from here.
Where'd you fly your drone from?
Then I saw them stairs and I thought, I'll go up where the